we're done with eyeshadow. Oh my gosh. And I'm already super nervous, oh my gosh. So I don't even know what to start with. No! Oh my god, I'm so excited! And nervous, oh my gosh. Hi my lovelies! Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shannon Renae, and make sure you consider subscribing to my channel. I put out new beauty/lifestyle videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Today's video is going to be a 5-minute makeup challenge. I've seen so many beauty YouTubers do this challenge, and I'm up for the challenge, and I'm super nervous. Like, I don't know how this is gonna go. I'm definitely going to try my best to do the best I can, and I think it's gonna be really freaking funny. Just to try to see me do my makeup in 5 minutes. I've never tried to do this before, so we're gonna see how this works out. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out. No. Let's not do that again. Alright guys, let's just get right into the video because I'm really nervous, and I'm wondering how this is even gonna work. Like, I don't think it's gonna work. I think I'm gonna fail like halfway through and gonna have to start completely over. So I'm going to be setting my kitchen timer for 5 minutes. I'm using my kitchen timer because I actually record on my phone, so I can't use my phone timer. But let's just go set that timer real quick, and I'm super nervous. Okay guys, time has started and I'm already super nervous, oh my gosh. So I don't even know what to start with. I think I'm just gonna start with eyeshadow. And I'm gonna go in with my concealer and just put it all over my eyelids. While I'm at it, I'm just gonna conceal underneath my eyes because I don't want to pick back up this concealer once I'm done using it. So I'm just gonna pop that all over. I'm gonna move my hair because this is gonna be annoying. Okay, so now I'm just going to take this brush and, dude, I'm like shaking, oh my gosh. This is like this gives me like such anxiety. You guys have no idea. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to do my eyeshadow in this amount of time, oh my gosh. Okay. So I'm gonna be taking the Morphe Nature Glow eyeshadow palette for this look, and I'm using this little brown shade right here. I'm gonna use like 2 or 3 shades probably. Oh geez, that was a lot of product. Okay, I'm just gonna pop it on both eyes. This is gonna look so bad. Guys, this is gonna be so bad. Oh my gosh. Dude, I probably have like 2 minutes left. What the flip? How do people do this? Okay, we only have time to do one eyeshadow, so I'm just gonna take this really pretty shimmery shade and pop it all over my lid. I just blended that out with my fingers, and now I'm just gonna wipe the excess off. That's kind of why I put the concealer there also, so I could do this. Okay, so now we're done with eyeshadow. Oh geez. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm dying. Okay. Okay, now I'm just gonna take my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 110 and put it all over my beauty blender and hopefully like stick it all over my face. Oh my gosh. I don't even know if I can do my eyebrows. Dude, this was way too much foundation. I used way too much foundation, guys, so pray for me. Oh my god, oh my god. Flip! How do people freaking do this? Okay, I'm not gonna set. Okay, actually, yes, I am gonna set. I'm just gonna set with my Maybelline Fit Me powder, translucent powder, and just kind of stick it all over my face. And now I'm gonna do mascara because I can't forget that. If I don't do brows, I can't forget mascara. Now I'm just gonna take, oh shoot, where's my brow stuff? Okay, now I'm just gonna take the ABH Brow Pomade in taupe and just kind of put it everywhere in my brows. Try the best I can. Why did I choose to do this? Okay. Okay, not bad, not bad. Oh my god. Okay. So now I'm just gonna take. No! I failed so bad. I didn't even get to half of what I usually do. Oh my gosh. So I missed. Okay, so what I missed was highlighter. I was gonna take the. Okay, I'm gonna shut that off. I'm so freaking pissed. I was going to do so much more. My eyebrows don't look like half bad though. I mean, this one's way bigger than this one. Well, we already know I failed, so I'm just gonna show you guys the products I missed. I missed my bronzer. I missed my freaking blush. I missed eyeliner. I missed lashes. And yeah, that was pretty much it. No, I'm just kidding. But seriously, like, I don't think anybody can do this, do their full face of makeup in 5 minutes. Like, it's not possible. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much the end of this video. This was really weird, and I don't think I'm ever gonna do this again. My foundation took up like 3 minutes, my eyeshadow took up like 2 minutes, so I basically did that and it was done. I can give myself a C+ on this challenge because I got foundation pretty well. I mean, I don't know what this is, but if you guys think you can do better than I did, definitely tag me in your guys' videos of this makeup challenge, and I would definitely love to see you guys try to do this as well. I think this is a really funny concept, and it's super weird to me, and I don't think I'm ever gonna do it again, obviously, but but yeah, it usually takes me about 45 minutes to 2 hours to do my makeup. Sometimes even 3 or 4 hours if I'm doing like an insane look, but yeah, that was pretty much this video. And if you guys like this video, if you found it hilarious, which I really found it hilarious, I was laughing the entire time. When my camera freaking fell, I was so mad. I had to go add 1 minute to the timer because I lost a minute because I was trying to like fix my camera. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that was this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next.